Hi, Scott here. Hope you're having an awesome day. I've been around my relative's house recently and I had one of those little realisations. When I don't watch much of TV anymore, especially the news, because it's just so negative and not productive in any way. So anyway, I was there and they like to watch the news and I was kind of listening to it in the background, and it's kind of irritating me because everything was just so negative. I've forgotten just how bad it is, should I say. And I know, I'm really glad that I don't watch it. You spend a whole half hour, or whatever that might be, with just negativity, the whole lot of it. It's either bad things that will happen to you, bad things happening around the world, bad people, bad circumstances. It's just so negative. They should just turn it all around and the world would be a much better place. If they had a whole half hour of news about all positive stories, wouldn't everyone be different? So yeah, I just thought I'd pass it on because it's just a reminder to me just how bad society in general is, especially the media, especially news. And what it made me think of was, I'm not sure if you're aware of Dr. Emoto, his water crystal experiment. Emoto. Just do a Google search on it and you'll find it quite easily. What they did was they had water in a container and they projected feelings onto their water. And then what they did is they froze the water very quickly and looked at the crystal formations that were formed in the water crystals. And it's just absolutely incredible. You just look it up. So for instance, if you had some water and you projected love onto it, it's going to be lots of love, and even if you wrote on a bottle, you just wrote love on the outside. Apparently that works as well. Then you freeze it. These crystals that are formed are beautiful and clear and just lovely formations, right? Like you see in a crystal chandelier, just absolutely perfect and beautiful. And the same sort of thing if you projected a piece. You get another beautiful formation, different, but again a beautiful formation. And then if you do the same thing with words like, or feelings, it's not words, it's the feeling, remember? If you projected the feelings of hate, or something bad like that, or death, the formations of crystals, well they're not crystals, the formation of the water is just horrendous. It's all jiggly-jaggedy and just looks horrible. And it's just from the feelings that have been projected onto the water. Now, here's where we connect them together. Think what we're made of. We're 70% water, right? So if we're always hearing and talking and feeling bad thoughts, bad feelings, that's what the water in our body's like. It's not going to be good for us. You think of people who are very peaceful and happy and loving, the water in their body is going to be beautiful. And that's why that people with happy lives tend to live longer, they live healthier. And everything's much better for them because we are what we feel. So I just thought I'd bring that to your attention, just putting those two things together. And if you can stay away from negative stuff, don't hate it, don't dislike it, just ignore it, get away from it. Even negative people, again, it's the same thing. You don't want it in your life. You want positivity, you want to be surrounded by good things. And just think of your water crystals, your water in your body. Whenever you have negative thoughts, just dismiss them, forget about them, and think something positive. And think about your water in your body, in your crystals. That's what I do. It's great. Quite amusing, but it's so true. So, and as I said, look them up. Look up the Emoto water crystal experiment, something like that, and you'll find it quite easily. Okay, hope you found that useful. Something interesting to think about. Dream big. Take lots of action. I will speak to you soon. Take care. Scott from Build My Lifestyle. See ya.